If you've spent any amount of time in a hospital room, you understand the significance of the recliner. Outside of the bed, the recliner is one of the most used patient spaces, with patients spending up to 2 to 6 hours per day in it. Our new line of modern, durable, and comfortable recliners was developed to meet the needs of both caregivers and patients to support the recovery and treatment process, and is available in 3 models: value, treatment, and clinical. With a range of options to choose from, you can outfit across the continuum of care by customizing the recliner to meet the needs of each specific department. Each model is created with wave-shaped arm caps to help with patients' ingress and egress, a wall-saver recline mechanism to help maximize space in compact patient rooms, a steer caster to provide stability and maneuverability throughout the healthcare facility, 360-degree clean-out space, and a powder-coated steel base for long-term durability. In addition to those features, the value model comes standard with 4-inch single-tread individually locking casters and the option to add features based on your department's needs, including 4-inch dual-tread casters, a central locking brake located on both sides of the recliner, and a foot tray for additional patient comfort that can also be utilized as a step with its weight-activated locking mechanism. In addition to the standard features of the value model, the clinical model comes standard with 4-inch dual-tread casters with individual locks, a movable transfer arm to assist patient transfers in and out of the recliner, Foley bag hooks located on both sides of the recliner, a Trendelenburg handle in the back, 2 seat width options, narrow at 22.5 inches and a wide option at 27.5 inches, and a performance cushion material that creates a supportive and comfortable seat for patients. Plus, the option to add transfer arms on both sides of the recliner, a central locking brake located on both sides of the recliner, and foot tray for additional patient comfort that can also be utilized as a step with its weight-activated locking mechanism. In addition to all that the clinical model delivers, our treatment model comes standard with a 2-hook IV pole located on either side of the recliner with a transfer arm on the opposite side, and can be upgraded with a central locking brake located on both sides of the recliner, a foot tray for additional patient comfort that can also be utilized as a step with its weight-activated locking mechanism. As a reminder, the treatment model also comes in 2 seat width options, narrow at 22.5 inches and a wide option at 27.5 inches. Whether streamlined or suited for treatment, recliners play a pivotal role in the hospital. Our latest recliners can help you standardize across the continuum of care so you can meet each department's specific needs, support the work of care providers, and offer patients a space to sit on the journey throughout treatment and recovery.